Hello, my YouTube friends. Welcome back to another video. And by the way, I'm so excited to announce that I found my little beard charm. Isn't it amazing? It was in my dad's. I guess I didn't fix it good enough, so I lost it. So, sad times. Handkerchief that I had hanging on my coat. So let me just give you guys another little look at these little hair charms by Coach. I'm thinking about taking them off of here, but I don't know. We'll see. You never know. You never know what your girl gonna do. You never know what your girl gonna do. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys a few things that I bought from my vacation, and I'm gonna unbox some Coach, and you guys aren't gonna believe what I got from Coach. It was such a good deal. So anyway, let's get into the video. You know your girl. You know your girl be playing around. I play too much. Anywho. First item up, it's this. If you guys watch me unpack my luggage, you would have seen that I pulled this out of my luggage. And when I bought it, I got a little, they put this little tie on it because I bought it from a little perfume store at one of the ports, and do that. I guess you can't add nothing into the bag on your way out the door. So what do I have in here? I bought him some cigars. These are Cuba Habanero. Just so you know, your girl have no damn knowledge on no damn cigars. So I had no idea what I'm buying. I don't know if it's good, whatever. So if you don't like it, you better like it, period. And these were made in Cuba. He doesn't even know yet because I didn't even, I just put my bag in the luggage and he was doing whatever, and I was buying some cigars. And I got these little Tic Tacs. Oh my goodness, I thought they were so cute. These are the travel. They're Mr. Mint, Mr. Orange, Miss Peach and Passion Fruit, and Mrs. Spearmint. Isn't that cute? Mr. Mint, Mr. Orange, Mr. Peach and Passion Fruit, and Mrs. Spearmint. Look at that. Isn't that just the cutest little thing? All of these little Tic Tacs. Who would imagine that you would buy all these Tic Tacs on a cruise? So this is what the top looks like. So how many are in here? It's 60 mini boxes. So I thought that this is so cute to be able to throw in my little purses during the summer. I could just throw me a couple of Tic Tacs, even though I do always love to chew gum. But that is what I got. That was cute. And they had this. This is called Jean Paul Gaultier. And they had an airline version of the perfume for men. Oh, and let me see, I can pull it up and I could tell you what notes it have. This one is the La Mer, and it's 1 or 2.5 fluid ounces, and this is called the Traveler's Exclusive. And the La Mer for men, it was inspired by the Sailor. This men's perfume has an unconventional vision of masculinity, lavender, referring the familiar and reassuring smell of shaving soap. It is enhanced with sensuality of vanilla, and I really love the way this smells. So the perfect time. And they had a sale, buy 3 for, I think it was $160. So they end up being like $50-something each. So then, of course, your girl got some, which is the classic So I was going to give one away to my sister for her birthday, but I ended up ordering her something else. I figured she might like a Coach purse. So I have 2 new boxes, but you know, I don't know. We'll see if one of my sisters, because I have 4 sisters and I'm the youngest, and I always try to get my sisters something for their birthday because they mean so much to me, and they've been very generous to me throughout my whole life. So if I don't get them anything for anything, any time of the year, I always try to get them something for their birthday. Unless, you know, we having a little conflict, then, you know, the girl. But anyway, so this one, the Classique, which is the women, is a sculpture bottle, takes the form of a woman displaying her charm. The basic idea of this fragrance is wearing the iconic corset. And, you know, your girl used to wear the corset back in the day. And in fact, I have one right here on my little girl. I have a corset. I don't know if you guys can see her over there. But I'm actually going to put that on my Poshmark page or either eBay because I've never worn it. I have some that I have worn, but I haven't worn a corset in a long, long time. But it used to be like my favorite thing to wear when I used to go out. So anyway, so that was a long time ago. The smell is, does it have the smell? Beneath her classic charm, she can drive people crazy. The fragrance changes his attitude as often as the corset. In her Diva red corset, isn't that something that I got a red one? And she becomes Classique. I don't know if they have the scents. So anyway, I don't know what the scent of this is. It's like vanilla. I don't know. I don't know. They don't have a description. I thought I had a description of it, but anyhow, let me just see if I could just take a little scent. And I love the blue. You know, I've been into blue lately. Oh, and inside the box. That's the airport edition. And you just pull this little tab and go crazy. Now that's it. Don't go too crazy, girl. Oh, I can't think of the scent. I don't know, but what a cute little bottle. A woman in her corset. And your girl got her corset over here. So anyway, moving on. Let me put this away. And let me get into this Coach box. La la. So, let's see. Whoa. What's in this Coach box? And your girl, I have a lot of stuff that I haven't showed you guys, so I'm going to be coming with the videos. I'm coming with the videos to show y'all some stuff. And then this item is, oh, I'm not going to even tell you guys in the description. You guys are going to have to come into my video and watch this and see what this is. Well, I don't know. I might put it in the description, but I'm not going to put it in the title because I didn't anticipate it looking like this, actually. So, I'm surprised. Ooh. You know, perfume smells different on everybody, but let me see what the packaging says. I'm not telling y'all yet. I'm not telling y'all. Y'all gonna have to do whatever y'all got to do in order to see this because I am not telling y'all yet. I'm not telling y'all. And I'm not sure if I want it now that I got it. But here it is. These are the travel cubes. I don't know. I might put it in the video. These are called the travel pouches, black multi. Look at them. That's cute. It has New York, Coach 1941, and it has Coach here in leather. And it's a pack of, here's the tag. I know some of you guys like to see the tag. And I was thinking of these because, get that box out of the way. Let me show you. If you guys watch my unpacking video, I have these Eagle Creeks. This is one of my Eagle Creeks, and this is my other Eagle Creeks. And I always use these when I travel because you can really stuff them, and you can put a lot of, you can put a lot of stuff in them, but these are kind of more structured. So we have another one. I'll leave a link. I got these off of the Coach website, and I paid $59.40 for all three of them. And it has the Coach leather here. And I was thinking on my next vacation that I would use these travel cubes. I mean, I wasn't going to get rid of my Eagle Creek because I really love those too. And then here is the third one. And they're so cute. And I don't know. We'll see how flexible they are. And then here's the care instructions. And look at the inside. Cute. So they seem really flexible, but look at this one. I mean, it bends a lot. So, and this has got this vinyl lining. This actually fits inside of here. So they might work out because I like to, see, then these don't have a handle. See how the Eagle Creek has a handle? So I don't know if I'm feeling these. You know, I mean, I don't know. Maybe they better for male than female. Because I do love the fact that my Eagle Creeks have a handle. I mean, I guess I probably could get a handle added on here somehow. I probably could take it to the shoe parlor. They probably could add a little handle. I mean, they are kind of nice and structured, but I don't know. I don't know. So anyway, that's what's in this haul. That's what's in this haul. And this is my dad's Dobbs hat. And I was just thinking, hell, if I can wear his coat, might as well wear his hats too. You know, I mean, I just think, you know, I think I kind of look cute in it. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Y'all think I could wear this hat? I mean, I don't know. I think, what can I say? I like the little feather. Oh, and what else? I got something else to show you guys while I'm fooling around, playing around. I'm not sure if I'm feeling this. I got to think about it. Because, let me just show y'all again before I go. I mean, I probably will put it in the description because, you know, I don't know. We'll see. Look at this, how this has a nice handle. This is mesh too. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it, but I just happen to be looking on the Coach website. Maybe I'll give them to my boo. I don't know. We'll see. Put your clothes and stuff in it because I love the fact that it's got handles, but it is kind of cute. So, and then I got this. This one is, let me see. This one is called the, is it Maize Flower Wildflower Cluster? And this is this one. These are so cute. I ordered these. This one was cheaper than the butterfly one. So I thought this was so cute. So yeah, that's what that one looks like. Yeah, I think these are cute. I love the green. I'm interested in yellow and green. So let me see. This I also got while on vacation from the Hard Rock Cafe in the Tampa airport. And I got some, oh, this one I got from Cozumel, Hard Rock Cozumel. This is iron-on. This is an iron-on patch. See? And this one I also got from Cozumel, but I like these little pins to add to like my jackets. So when I wear a jacket, I just like to add a pin on it, and sometimes I end up just leaving it on the jacket that I put it on. So I just got that, and then this I'll have to show y'all in a different video because I already made a video on that. And I think I have one more thing. I got my Portland leather. Oh, what did I do? Oh, here it is, right here. So, and I also got this one from Tampa Bay. I have a black denim jacket. It's by Ralph Lauren. It looks just like this one, except it's black. And I don't wear it that often, so I was thinking about maybe if I added some patches on it, maybe it might be more appealing. So I got these two, and I have some other patches that I might add on it. And then here's a limited edition pin. I might add this on that jacket. And I got this one that says Tampa Bay from the Hard Rock Cafe. So yeah, so that's all I got. Well, I got a few other things, but I'll show you those items in another video. Whoops. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.